rapid advancement of AI threatens job security. As we stand in the technological advancement of the world, we have AI, or artificial intelligence. AI are machines that are able to replicate human intelligence. AI is receiving our workplaces and redefining our nature of employment. While AI promises enhanced efficiency and productivity, it also raises significant concerns about job security for millions and millions and billions of people actually. Yes. The core issues lies in AI's ability to automate tasks traditionally performed by humans. AR are machines that could actually perform human thinking, human cognitive skills. They have those skills that are performed usually by humans, particularly those that are routine and repetitive. Industries such as manufacturing.
Greetings, respective audience, esteemed judge, and fellow debaters. Welcome to this side of the house. As we delve into a discussion on artificial intelligence, we must address the growing concerns surrounding the impact of job security. Many are getting nervous about the role of machines. Will they take over our jobs? A narrative we've countered for decades. However, upon closer examination, we find no immediate threat. This house fairly argues that artificial intelligence does not threaten job security. Instead, it assesses humans, not replace them. It creates new job opportunities, enhances efficiency and productivity, and improves decision making. AI tools can support us making informed choices, enhancing our capabilities, stimulates innovation by accepting AI as a co-worker.
Okay, 1 minute for each of the group. You can talk to your team. I'll be the one who
Commercial. Commercial. Commercial.
to the opposition side with Longko. 50 seconds!
Technology has always created new jobs throughout history. New technologies were feared, but they always created more jobs in the long run. During the Industrial Revolution, people were scared that machines would take over their jobs, but it actually led to the creation of more jobs in factories. According to the World Economic Forum, AI is expected to create 97 million new jobs by 2025.
Dorake.
While AI may create new jobs, many require advanced skills that displaced workers do not have, leading to a mismatch in the labor market. Current educational systems are inadequate in preparing students for this new demand, and a significant number of workers will need retraining in the near future.
10 seconds, Ramos.
In November 2022, OpenAI grabbed the headlines by releasing ChatGPT and generative AI become a term used in households.
Anybody from the opposition? Anybody? According to Ars and Roaring Zera, 2016, certain roles that require emotional intelligence, creativity, and interpersonal skills are less likely to be automated. Fields like education, healthcare, and social services will continue to need human workers, providing job security in these sectors. Everybody.
Hanson Robotics based in Singapore are developing AI based on nurses. They are creating AI that makes nurses, and that AI is concluded that particular robot is used to make people live and make people to take care of those patients that the hospital is occupying.
7 seconds, no more.
We said AI will create future markets that require oversight and creativity. But AI can replace the emotional intelligence of a human.
Aligoy!
AI can take over mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on tasks that require critical thinking and empathy. For instance, AI can help perform routine tasks such as data entry, bookkeeping, and but according to Napolitano 2023, AI can perform organizational tasks and workflows employees because AI is about to replace humans rapidly. In May 2023, 40,000 of jobs according to data from Challenger, Napolitano 2023, has been replaced because of AI. Because AI has the ability to read, write, and analyze workloads within the comprehensive of AI.
But AI is created by a human. So that the AI is created by a human because furthermore AI is not intelligent. It can make errors according to Jan Ruang. It can make errors like for example the ability of language. It cannot detect such language because it doesn't have any enormous data that can AI always rapidly advances. It can adapt to languages.
These things get intelligent and ask open and said you that the godfather of AI. The experts believe that not only artificial intelligence will amplify human effectiveness but also threaten human autonomy, agency, and capabilities. While AI is advancing quickly, we are already seeing efforts from the government's education institutions to pick up. Countries like Singapore and Finland have implemented national programs to teach digital literacy and AI-related skills. In industries like banking and healthcare, workers are given ongoing training to stay updated with new technology. Adaptation is happening far faster than expected. It's possible to keep up with the change if proper training is made available.
But United States are said that 47% of jobs will be replaced by AI robots. Yes. According to Bryn Robson and Macau,
Ayaw mo pag-tap sa table ha. Kanang hand gesture niyo. Ayan yung tugot-tugot. Kaya mamay na sa
without accessible opportunities.
kanang anak-anak. Kanang murag mo nag-report. Kanang murag mo nag-report.
Resulting in growth underemployment and insecurity. The integration of AI into the workplace carries
AI is designed to assist humans, not replace them. It can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on tasks requiring creativity, critical thinking, and edge empathy. For example, AI can handle data entry, bookkeeping, and inventory management, allowing humans to focus on decision-making, innovation, and communication.
halaman. Yan, salas ka. Okay. Para to, AI creates new job and opportunities, opening up fields like AI development, data science, and machine learning.
But the AI is actually evolving. AI is more it is evolving like humans. So AI from the word intelligence, the intelligence of AI could actually evolve. We have three classifications of AI. We have narrow, we have general, and we have super intelligence. Though that super intelligence could surpass. I had research about it. That super intelligence could surpass human intelligence, and that is one of the factors that makes the humans are.
If those super intelligence exist, then they should have created themselves in the first place. Then why does a human create artificial intelligence in the first place? Artificial intelligence is not perfect. They also make some errors. For example, the Uber self-driving car accident. One of the most notable cases was when an Uber self-driving car struck and killed a pedestrian in 2018. Vehicle sensor detected the person, but the AI failed to decide on the appropriate course of action in time, leading to fatal crash. Now, AI is improving and evolving, but AI is not perfect. So if AI is perfect, then a human could not
Human is not perfect either. It makes more errors than compared to AI. We use AI to lessen it. As an employer, you would use AI over humans because they make their mistakes.
But AI have developed recent years, AI have the ability to solve problems such as national security, company use process automation, the use of artificial intelligence to prevent money laundering, and to ensure
The student AI can automate some repetitive jobs, but most of these jobs will evolve instead of disappearing. AI will take the routine tasks, but workers can then focus on more complex tasks that require human creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence, skills that machines don't have. For example, in customer service, AI can handle simple inquiries, but humans are still needed for personalized service and relationship.
According to Professor Alejandro Piedmore, computer scientist Walter Professor at Habana, that only 10% of the people's creativity they use AI and ChatGPT. They rely on 90% of it. They are just people are just finalizing and make cherry on top and adding the final.
According to a McKinsey report, up to 800 million jobs will be lost worldwide due to automation. AI-powered machines and algorithms can perform at the greatest speed.
AI has the potential to bring about numerous positive changes in society, including enhanced productivity, improved healthcare, and increased access to education. It will also generate 97 million jobs in fields ranging from big data and machine learning to information security and digital marketing.
You said McKinsey. You said about McKinsey, what McKinsey but McKinsey also said that AI can create more jobs than it eliminates. In the report,
But this is particularly ironic for those in within rapid growth, jobs that are often the most vulnerable to technology disruption. Industries such as manufacturing, retail, and even certain aspects of healthcare are witnessing the rise of machines.
And according to Shanghai Normal University, artificial intelligence is bound to replace complicated manual operations to the greatest extent, replacing many traditional labor jobs and accompanied by many employment solutions.
While AI excels in data analysis and pattern recognition, human process unique skills like empathy, creativity, and critical thinking. AI is designed to enhance human capabilities, not replace them.
The consequence, you said earlier that nurse replaced by AI, but while AI can assist in decision making and streamline processes, there is a real risk that many roles will be fully automated rather than augmented. The fear among workers is not unfounded. Studies show that a significant percentage of employees using AI tools express concern about being replaced.
These plans will explore how AI can communicate information, data analysis, decision making, getting the job engagement, and economic stability. And this is about major
AI tools can enhance human capabilities, providing real-time data analysis, personalized training, and support. This leads to increased job specification and productivity.
AI is using situation that able the master that improve the productivity and providing a real-time data analysis and insight the master providing a return of knowledge to creativity.
New jobs created by AI often need advanced skills, so even if it creates new jobs, these workers often lack the advanced skills needed to retrain and get new jobs. AI could automate activities for the 300 million full-time jobs globally, according to a recent estimate by Goldman Sachs. Already, the chief of IBM said he expected AI affect white-collar critical staffing to make it the need for us to up 30% of the roles.
even if AI creates a new job, while there's a transition period, it's possible to ensure that everyone has the chance to participate in new jobs created by AI. Governments and organizations can ensure that their training programs are accessible to everyone, regardless of their background and skill level. Many of the new jobs in AI, like data, labeling, or AI management, don't require advanced degrees, meaning they can be filled by people from various educational backgrounds without even knowing what does AI do.
As you said, technology may evolve, but human creativity is not replaceable, just like an AI-powered desk.
Although the training programs are essential for transitioning displaced workers into new roles, many companies lack incentives to invest in upskilling. A significant number of displaced workers may not have access to retraining resources, leaving them vulnerable in a relatively changing job market.
The consequence of job creation is severe, particularly for those skilled and knowledgeable and capable to adopt the new technology.
Instead of causing long-term unemployment, AI will encourage people to learn new skills, which governments and companies are already helping with. Many organizations are investing in retraining programs to help workers move into new, higher-skilled jobs. It's not about people losing jobs, it's about shifting to new opportunities. For example, as automation took over factory work, workers were trained for more technical roles like managing the machinery or working in quality control.
But according to the World Economic Forum, 72% of Americans are worried about losing their jobs to AI.
According to Elijah Clark 2023, the rise of AI in the job market has resulted in one for while those names are technology risk obsolescence.
Okay, as part of our rebuttal, anybody from the group?
It's true that AI can automate some repetitive jobs, but most of these jobs will evolve instead of disappearing. AI will take over routine tasks, but workers can then focus on more complex tasks that require human creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence, skills that machines don't have. For example, in customer service, AI can handle people who are sharing emotional costs, but humans are still needed for personal service and relationship.
While AI may generate new jobs, these roles often arise in specialized fields that cannot absorb the number of jobs lost. For instance, while AI can create positions in tech development, it does not compete with the mass layoffs in sectors like manufacturing and retail. I mean, why would companies settle for less when they can have perfect AI intelligence? Right, Kevin?
According to Law 2023, some companies such as OpenAI have begun to use ChatGPT to replace standard software engineers. Using AI to develop code lower business costs.
According to Aporva, AI tools need human supervision because it is to prevent downside of the. It is tool designed to automate repetitive tasks, and it's a tool or guidance and supervision to operate effectively. Humans are responsible for setting the parameters for the AI to work within, ensuring that AI decisions are ethical and aligned with company goals. Also, AI tools complement human skills because this is designed to automate repetitive tasks and analyze vast.
Companies that implement AI for software development are limiting employment opportunities for software developers and putting them at risk of job instability for their careers.
From what Jana said, 97 million jobs and rated jobs. There are 97 million. So the AI could displace 300 million lose jobs. So it is the percentage is not
Okay, so this will be our Donna.